Hi and welcome to Morgoths Media, where today we're going to be trying the crispy chicken Italiano from McDonald's. Let's give it a go, shall we? Let's get in there. It's got like a nice floury bap on this one, like some sort of cross thing on it. You've got tomatoes in there, you've got your lettuce, you've got your onions in there, and you've got some sort of sauce on it as well. What is that sauce? I don't know. I don't know if it's a pesto sauce or what kind of sauce that is. We'll give that a go in a minute. It's got your chicken in there as well. Let's get in this one, see what it's all about, see what it's saying to us. That big thick tomato hanging out there, look at that, dirty. Oh, it's all pissing out all over the place, look at it. Right, let's get in there. Oh, that's unusual. Yeah, Italian seasons, obviously. Not quite sure what that sauce is, but it's nice. Chicken's nice. It's actually bits of chicken breast, I think. It's not that, don't look like processed chicken to me, so it looks good. Salad's nice and refreshing. I'm not too sure about this bun though. It doesn't transport very well. Look at it, it's all just breaking up my hands. Yeah. It's nice. It makes a change. Don't think I'll be ordering that one again, to be honest. I also got one of these to try. Let's get it out of the container there. Pineapple mango smoothie, I think they call them. Thought it'd go well with it. Summary. Let's give this a go. Oh, that's beautiful. That is really nice. Nice and sweet. You get the pineapple blast first of all, and then as you breathe out, and you can taste the mango. Nice. Recommend that. Definitely get that. This, not so much. Bit of a gimmick, that one. But this, yeah, well worth it. That's my review. Thanks for watching, guys.